Maximize e-commerce business potential with strategic use of CRM. CRM software keeps track of the customer's information and interactions. It helps you in providing better customer service and thus, increase sales. Key takeaways. In 2028, CRM technology is set to reach a value of around $128.97 billion. As per report, 65% of businesses adopt CRM technology within the first 5 years of launch. Benefits of using CRM. Customer segmentation. Efficient use of time and money. Get the most relevant information. Social media interactions. Get payment data. Order management. Helps in building robust customer relationships. Know the challenges that customer facing. Engage customers with relevancy. Build one-to-one relationship. Decrease sales cost. Improve sales efficiency. Increased opportunity for upselling and cross-selling. Find new referral business. Create new revenue streams. Identify the opportunities to grow. Finding new sources of income. Create additional product lines. Enhancing customer retention. Finding new ways of communicating. Offer loyalty programs and promotions. Create a better experience. Are you planning to create CRM software for your e-commerce business? Get connected with Value Coders experts. They will help you create the best CRM software matching the business needs.